Now, in the discovery, I already know that I would include your culture as being, you're a very private individual. You value working hard, which is also a strength of yours. You have a lot of worth ethic, and to be a single mom is a very big strength of yours. And when we get our YSP Ashley in here, she'll be able to talk with Thomas a little bit more and identify his strengths and his culture, his values and what he believes in. Do you have any questions about the discovery?
No, it sounds pretty good. What are you going to do with the discovery?
Well, the discovery is we compile a set of documents that has all of your strengths and needs and cultures with everyone in the family, whoever you would like to include in it. You want to include, your dog, the pug, you can include him in it as well. And what we like to do is we like to give them to everyone in the team. Whether you were to have different service providers in here, we can give that to it. It tells you a story about the family. Mm-hmm. That way, you're not telling your story over and over and over again. They will have it in writing proof. And it's just nice. And I have some families that really like the discovery. They like the fact that they can look back on it and see how their family has grown, throughout our process. So does that sound something makes sense?
It does make sense. Am I going to be able to see this discovery before everybody else?
Of course. We will actually, right before, I guess you can call it the final draft, we'll bring it out. We'll go over it with you. If there's anything you want taken out or if there's anything you want added, we will do that for you because this is all about you. If there's something in there that you don't want, anyone to see or know, or then we're more than happy to take it out. It's basically, your family from your perspective and what you feel makes your family your family.
Is it like a psychological evaluation?
No, it's not like a psychological evaluation. It's just more of your story. And it's really helpful. And Mary, she gets really creative with it. She'll put in pictures and make it so it's not just the hard document.
So why do we use that? Because I know like a psychological evaluation, it talks about the concerns and stuff. This doesn't sound like it talks about concerns. So what do we use this for?
You can put your concerns in the discovery if you would like, or things that places you would like to be in the future, your hopes, your dreams. And we actually like to write it as in the present because we want you to feel like you're going to get there. Mm-hmm. And it's nice for you to look back on. And it's really easy to give it to everyone in the team.
So why do we give it to the team members?
So they know a little bit about your family and death, and not just something from a clinical standpoint. Okay. So they know a little bit about you, your culture and what your values are. Because a lot of, system providers, a lot of it is clinical evaluation and, very precise and to the point. It doesn't put in there your strengths, your concerns.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. Well, it was very nice to meet you, Lisa, and I look forward to seeing you next Monday on the 6th, right?
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
All right, thank you.